Now here's a problem I often have when I'm using a hole saw, especially in softwoods or particle board, and that is the sawdust gets compacted in the teeth. And when that happens, the teeth stop cutting and can build up a lot of heat. So I'm going to show you how to avoid that. Score the surface of the material being drilled. Then remove the hole saw. Install a 3/4 inch drill bit and tighten the chuck. Drill a hole on the very edge of the hole saw score line. This hole will collect the dust being created by the hole saw, preventing it from getting trapped between the teeth. The result is an operation that's faster and smoother with no burning. So if you've been having trouble with your hole saw getting clogged with sawdust, well, you might want to try this technique.